Kajilla Meghalaya, Negalas New Blay, Klapinlong Yaka Meghalaya Farmers Parliament Kabalai has State Convention Center. Tagajing Tmuban Rakhe, but Ben Itu Yagajing Trashitom Jonki Nongrep. Katagajing Alang Kaba Arsngi, Kalongkum Karinsan, Nabentaki Nongrep, Bakin Yakren, Halor Kibabun Kimat, Beneshimikisin Jam, Ben Kintio Yakarep Karyang, Dagababut Ru Yakirukam Let and Rai, Banyatu Shpangi Kana Job Jonki Nongrep, Dakajing Tmuban Iman Si Miki Nongrep, Bakin Lap and Tray, but Ben Meet Kambun Yakimar Rep. Hawakren hagajingalang umintri rang ba kajala ukonrat ke sangma uloong baka farmers parliament kalong ban itu yaki kam jengki nongrep ban kyrshan iki ban pinsap priang yaki kerwa kubor baka sarkar ka don ringkat batki khnang bakin la ban pin bha ya kadukam em ka jongki da ka barep baryang uloong bakin nongrep ki dei ki dan lupa ki kam rep kam riang henretang katu kan ne ki don kam ya kajing kyrshan kum ka chakabu yaki marep kajing pinkit kajing baitingka batki policy trai kam ban pinlong ya ka rep ka riang ka ban biang ban bha ka kamai kaji.
At the very outset, I would like to wish everyone a very happy Farmers' Day. In order to celebrate our farmers, to recognize the work that they are doing, to motivate them, and to let them know that we are all here to work together in order to support them and to take their work forward so that they're able to improve their overall livelihood in the farming sector, which has been a huge challenge for them in the past many decades. We need to create institutional setups. We need to start incentivizing. We need to start bringing in technology. We need to increase the capacity. We need to have a focused approach. And all of these different thought processes made us come up with different programs that we had, and I don't want to go into everything. But it has been a continuous process, and it will be a continuous process for many, many years and decades to come. There was not a single processing unit in Lakadong turmeric. We created more than 15 processing units, all energized with solar energy and all run by our women self-help groups. And this is one small example to show you that a product like Lakadong, which has global acceptance and global demand and was a low-hanging fruit, was simply ignored. And no support was being given to farmers, they were just on their own. And hence we started taking these small steps, and slowly and steadily we have seen that the returns that the farmers are getting because of the support that we're giving them has gone up multifold. Today, in fact, I'm very happy to inform you that on the 29th of November, which was just last week, the Registrar of Geographical Indications in Chennai has given the GI tag to Lakadong turmeric, finally. And we started this process again 4 years back. Didn't happen in one go. As a government, we have always believed in ensuring that we don't look at schemes anymore. I am very much against our officials and our ministers who focus on schemes, because that narrows down our vision and our purpose. It is not about implementing the scheme, but it is about the result that the scheme is going to give us. And it is very important as political leaders and as a government and officials to keep our eye on the objective, not on the scheme that we are trying to do. So a holistic approach is required. Departments cannot work in silos. We are mentioning about this great program that you're doing, the Regeneration Meghalaya program. Again, I should say that it's a program that's very, very close to my heart. We are having a water conference through the Climate Council in the month of February. And you'll be surprised to know that what the Regeneration Meghalaya program is planning to achieve and is moving forward with. Government of Meghalaya is doing different programs through different departments in similar lines. So we just have to collaborate now and really work together.